Hi everyone, today I'm going to Jammu from Delhi by a SpiceJet flight. I have booked a Spice Max seat and my husband dropped me to the arrival terminal of Delhi International Airport. From here I will be taking walk-elators to departure terminal. At the main entry, your luggage is sanitized by an automatic machine. I guess they use some UV rays to sanitize the bags. Here comes my bag. Due to COVID, the airport looks completely deserted. So, web check-in is mandatory for all the domestic flights now. So, make sure you have your boarding pass before you board the flight. Airlines have made the complete process completely contactless. Like you have to do web check-in, you will get your luggage tag in email. You have to take a print of that and paste on your luggage so that you do not get in touch with anyone on the airport. Now I will be going through the security check. Yay, I'm done with the security check. Now I will be going to the lounge. I don't know how safe it is, but I have time in my flight, so I will be spending time in lounge only. Lounge is on the first floor near the food court. Where is the lounge? Where is the lounge? So I'm coming after almost 8 months. This looks completely different. Before entering lounge, they do a temperature check. They have sanitizer at the desk, and I will give my boarding pass and then I will enter the lounge. Temperature check is done. So one thing that has changed is that the food is served on the table only. They have veg and non-veg option. They have a platter and they provide the platter on your seat, and drinks as well. I have ordered veg platter. It contains dosa, upma, and pongal, idli, and chutney. The food is fresh and yummy, and I am having 7 up with my food. Okay, so I have spent too much time in the lounge, and there are just 5 minutes left to the boarding, and I have to dash to the gate. Before boarding plane, they provide you with a kit that contains face shield, mask, and some sanitizers. Person sitting in the middle seat, they have to wear a PPE kit mandatory. As I have booked a Spice Max seat, my seat number is 1A. It is a window seat, and the benefit is that you can maintain a social distancing and it has a good leg room. Luckily, my next seat was empty. And we have landed on the Jammu airport. So on Jammu airport, you have to go through the COVID test mandatory, and you cannot exit airport once your COVID test until your COVID test is negative. So I will be going through the test. These are the counters that Jammu Health Department have set up to do the rapid antigen test. So they form a queue for the complete airline, and complete airline flight goes through the test at once, and then you have to wait in the waiting area. Once the result is declared for the complete flight, you have to show your boarding pass and you are free to go. Test is not painful at all. It is a simple swab test that they take from your nose, and result takes hardly 5 minutes. And my test is done and I am sampled. Now I am waiting for the result. This is the waiting area. So we are waiting for our result. As you can see, the previous flight result are declared and they are free to go. We are still waiting for our results. One person has come out to be positive in our flight and they are looking for him. I guess he's the one. He will be going through administration quarantine and then we are free to go. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.